Hey, welcome back to my channel, Riddle here. So, about 55 days ago, we went keto. The keto diet is really difficult because you can get bored with food and it can get really expensive. So, if you're not a cook, it's really difficult and you have to get creative fast. So, this is going to be the first of many videos because we have mastered some really delicious desserts. My friend Michael Anton and I have gotten really creative, and we've desserts, cocktails, and this you're looking at is called mug bread. Now this has been cut in half. It's actually this thick, and it's super basic ingredients. You whip it together in a coffee mug and then cook it in the microwave. So it's literally 1 minute and you've got something like bread. No, it's not bread, but it's the closest damn thing you can get to bread when you're on this diet, and you will appreciate it. You can toast it. We made sliders with it, but let's see how it's made really quick. This is Michael.
Hello.
He's awesome. And this is Michael making mug bread.
So we just start with 4 tablespoons of almond flour, and then you're just going to use a half a teaspoon of baking powder. You want to make sure that you're not using aluminum, baking powder, things like that you just want to be aware of. So basically it's just that we add a little bit of cheese in it. So I just have some shaved Parmesan, and because it is kind of bland, so you want to add a little flavor to it. And then just a pinch of salt. And then put 1 egg and about a tablespoon of olive oil.
Now, if you don't have olive oil, what else can you use in the way of oil?
You can use avocado oil.
Okay. Can you use MCT oil?
Probably, yeah. I'm sure you could use any other type of oil like that. So.
Okay.
And then the olive oil has a nice flavor too. So then you just mix it all together really well. The almond flour tends to be clumpy, but just kind of beat it with your fork, and then you just stick it in the microwave for 1 minute, and that's usually enough. Sometimes if you add a little extra cheese, sometimes you need a few more seconds, but that's basically it. That's kind of what it looks like.
Okay.
Really fast for breakfast, to put some eggs and greens on, things like that. So. And
this is a single serving. This makes 1, so this is a single serving. He actually has it in a ceramic mug, which is pretty thick, so it conducts heat really well, and it's a wider ceramic mug.
Yeah, I like the wider one just because it makes more of a little loaf instead of like a tapered mug or something like that.
Okay. And he's going to pop in the microwave. Express heat for literally 1 minute. So why not be patient? Show you the entire thing. And like I said, we made sliders on this the other night and added fresh tomatoes, some grilled with balsamic vinaigrette. He did a reduction with onions and mushrooms. We used that as a topping. We did dill pickles and mustard, because you can get mustard that's keto. It has pretty simple ingredients, the Grey Poupon especially, and they were delicious. It's the closest thing to a hamburger bun that I've had in almost 2 months, and I was really grateful for it. But for delicious, for breakfast, these are super good too, and you can get creative with it. Like Michael said, putting an egg on it, bacon egg. You could do McMuffins, do a layer of bacon and egg, and you would be good to go. It would be just like a breakfast sandwich. Okay.
I'm just doing a couple more seconds because the last one came out a little runny on the bottom, but that should be really good right there. So
people think it's funny. It's really, really runny.
So there it is.
Look, check that out.
Yeah, just be careful because the cup can be really hot.
Of course.
And then it just pops out, and there's your mug bread.
Awesome, man. Well,
yeah.
Thank you. Thanks, Michael.
Yeah.
So if you are interested in learning our other keto recipes so you don't starve to death and your food is actually interesting and really delicious, hot, so we're going to do more of these, including he did a Mars almond bar with chocolate the other day, which is fantastic. Chocolate truffles, lemon cake. So we're going to hit up the desserts too, and maybe even some keto cocktails. All right, take care for now. If you like these videos, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Bye.